Hello everyone, welcome back to the TBI 8-Wear tutorial channel. In this video, we will cover the settings, customizations, and permissions. Okay, first thing, it's very interesting because you can customize the colors, logos, everything in your report. It's very important. So I move to the customization. Let's start with the customization. You go to settings, customization. Now we have some tabs. First one is the general one. You can set up three things here in this screen. First thing is the QR code logo. I will show you where it shows. You go to equipment, search equipment, view, generate QR code. So this is how the logo is going to appear here. Okay, that's the point. You print that, you stick in your equipment, and your customers will be able to scan that through a specific app and create a ticket. Let me go back. Settings, customization. So this is the image, the logo which goes to the QR code. The second thing you can adjust is the color. You can click in this little icon here. You can enter the EXA code for the color. Yeah, you can choose here in the bottom. Yeah, or HSL, or EXA, or RGB. But you also can just click here, pick this one, this icon, yeah, and you move here and you choose the color you want in your report. Let's say this light blue, and then it's going to become light blue. If you click here and say, no, I prefer the darker blue, so you come here and say, okay, I want the darker blue. That's it, it's set. Other point you can set up is the language for the email communications. All the emails, they have standard templates, but you can choose the language, one of the three languages: Spanish, Portuguese, English. So in this case is English. You just choose the flag you want, English. Your communication will be in English. Your email communication will be in English. Just save that, it's saved, and that's it. The second tab is the technician information. It's very important because this is in which you put some costs. So first field, you can edit here your technician hourly cost. How much your technician costs per hour. Just put the number here in your local currency. What is your work hourly rate? How much do you charge for your hourly rate? You put the value here. That's it. Other point, 31, is the travel hourly rate. Most companies, they charge less for the travel time compared to the working time. So that's why we offer the three possibilities to set up a number. This is going to be used later in future reports. Annual workload. Annual workload is adjusted in hours and converted to it's adjusted in days, created in days, starting days, but converted to hours, okay? So you can add it here. I just click in edit for you to see. Let's say we have 365 days per year. We exclude 104 Saturdays and Sundays. If all your team work on Saturday, then you just exclude 52, okay? Vacation days, let's say you have in your country 15 days vacations. And now holidays, how many holidays you have per year in your country? Let's say 10 holidays. So, and how many hours you work per day? Let's say 9 hours or 8 hours. It depends on, and if you say, okay, it's not 9 hours, it's 8 hours. So you have 1,188 hours available per technician being application or engineer, doesn't matter, hours available hours per year, which correspond to 236 days of working. Okay, so that's it. Just save that. Third tab, reports and KPIs. So you just here you define the report logo, the logo which is going to be shown on top of your technical service report. This is the first field. You can delete this one. You can choose from your files, bring the image, adjust in the size. So the size is defined by a white square, a white or a white rectangle. So you just adjust your image in there and save. Other thing is the language settings as well, because we have a we have a footing image, we have a foot message. So what else we can customize? We can customize the report title. You just say here how you want to say your report: service report, technical service report, intervention report. You choose the name. This field here, report document number, is the document number of the report form in your quality system, if you have. So you can include here the number of your form report number in your quality system. You also can edit and define here your report observation, which is a text message that you define here, which is going to appear in all your intervention reports. And below that, your report footer logo. This is interesting because you can use that for marketing purposes. By instance, you can promote a new product here. Remember that this technical service report is going to reach the people which is working in the equipment. And in many cases, they are the people who help to take the decision, technical decision. So you can reach them using a foot image in your technical report, which is promoting a product or describing a service, or if you don't want just your numbers, a QR code, things like that, okay? Your image here, your logo. So we have three here. We have in English, we have in Spanish, and we have in Portuguese. So if during the usage of your tool, you choose here into this little image here in settings, you can change the language. So if you choose Spanish, this is going to use the foot image, foot text in Spanish. If you choose Portuguese, it's going to be Portuguese. If you choose English, it's going to be English. So again, going back to their customizations, okay? And this is how it works. And that's all that you can adjust here. 3 points in each one. Title, document number, observations, and image. 4 things, okay? The next tab is still under development, but here we are going to put all communications, all links to the ERP communications. Our ERP communication is done via N8N protocol. We explain this later. And also we have a tab for Dispatch Center. In Dispatch Center, you can define the priorities that you want to define to your company. Let's say 70% experience, 30% distribution. This is going to construct, to build the engineer, the technician score. 70% experience, 30% availability. Also, you can define the ranking of the urgency based on deadline, considering the SLA, per type of ticket. If it's installation, for sure, technical ticket is the priority level 5 is the most important one, and then the second one is the installation, third one is the preventive, and the other ones are repair shop, relocation, and equipment removal. Okay, the status, if it's pending, current ticket state is pending or waiting to transfer. It also, you can define the priority, which is most important for you, for your company. Under warranty, 3, out of warranty, 1. So for sure, you prioritize your the customers which are under warranty. Equipment, operational state, if it's operational or not, the status actually is the status, and manufacturer, if is manufacturer involvement or escalated to the manufacturer. Okay, so if you want to escalate to the manufacturer, this is something that is going to be future implementations. That's all for that. You just save the changes and everything is going to be saved. In terms of permissions, we have this string. You can create different groups, and each group, to each group you assign your people. So you have 16 managers, you have one customer app, a dispatcher, application specialists, and engineers. And if you look at that, this is a copy of the left-hand side menu. If you edit that, you will, let's say the engineers group, you can just expand to see what you can or these people can or cannot see. You just see, okay, the engineer, can engineer see the home screen? Yes. About the customers, can engineers create the customers? No, it's not engineer's function. Can engineer list customers? No. View, edit? No. The engineers has to see the customers in the ticket only. That's all. So you define point by point contracts. They do not need to have access to contract. Contracts are confidential. So you just block that. Equipment. What they have to do, they have to look at the planning, the preventives. Yes, that's it. This is they have to do. This point they have to cover. Yes, they have to plan preventives. Yes, they have to access to the timeline. But they cannot create repair shop tickets. They cannot create tickets. Yeah, they cannot move tickets, authorize, approve equipments in the repair shop. Peripherals, manufacturers, tickets, everything the same. Yeah. Spare parts, yeah, they cannot see anything about the spare parts here because the spare parts carry the cost. So you don't want all your people or your team to see spare part cost. So you just put no for this kind of profile. The engineers, they will see the spare parts description and code, and they will be able to assign a quantity in the ticket. Not in here. Okay, so all users created right now, if you are using a demonstration version, all users in there except the 3 engineers in one application, all other users has all everything, all fields in yes, so they're able to do everything. Yeah, so you will be able to create as many users up to 25 users in total. Yeah, you'll be able to configure everything and simulate in your priority. For sure, we help and we support the companies which are implementing the system to configure that. So, said that, we covered customization and permissions. Okay, and that's it for now. We will have other videos as well. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.